Okay, so I've set the choke, I've pulled the choke right out, it's fully on. The engine hasn't run for several weeks now, so it's pretty cold start. Here we go, let's see what happens. You'll notice when I turn the key, the ammeter goes negative and the ignition light comes on the right hand side there. So here's the starter button. I'm going to push it, and at the same time I'm going to give it a little bit of throttle here just to see if we can get it to go. So let's see now, it's just a cold start. Nope. Car's in gear, so it's actually driving the axle. Exhaust is blowing.